Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I found how to improve my tutorial, so I am going to make a new version. Of course, you go to startgamer.net and then just get a lot of head starts. But instead of colliding with anything, you have to collide with a train. See, if I collide with something random, it won't work. See, it doesn't work if I do that. But if I collide with a train, it works. So guys, I will teach you again in case you have not seen the previous video. So basically, you have to go to the shop in startgamer.net's version of Subway Surfers, get a bunch of head starts, clay, and then find a train. Try to find a train. Collide with the train and then press the V button at the same time. Revive yourself with this and then you will be able to do this. And if you get a pogo stick power up, you can do very ridiculous things. And if you get any power up, I think something will happen. I may make a video of that if this gets a comment. So guys, that's the tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed the video.